I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your identity. Make sure you have your RBC username and the device used for two-step verification. Use a private, secure network so authentication won't be interrupted. Open the RBC website or mobile app and tap Sign In. Once on the sign-in page, enter your username and password. If prompted for a one-time code, retrieve it from your device or authenticator app. This immediate start ensures you're authenticated. Once signed in, go to your profile or security settings from the account menu. That's where password controls live. Choose Change Password and enter your current password to verify it's you. Now type a new password, following guidelines. Use uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, avoid common words, and make it at least 12 characters. Confirm the new password by retyping it, and always take a moment to review for typos before you submit the change. After you submit, save changes and sign out, then sign back in immediately to confirm the new password works. Make sure to update any saved credentials on your devices or password manager so logins remain seamless. If the system rejects the new password or locks your account, use the Forgot Password flow to reset or contact RBC support for help. Be ready with identity details. This final check prevents access problems and secures your account after the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.